Question, is the BBL dead? Well, I would say it's trending down. I wouldn't say it's dead, but I would say it's trending down. I think the look of having, the really full hips, really a lot more projection, I think that's trending away. I think the trend back now is more of a natural, proportionate kind of look for women. And women are wanting more of just more of a graceful or just proportionate look that kind of flows really nicely in the body. So none of these out of proportionate looks are being asked of me anymore. Back 5 years ago, it was very, very common to have a lot more compensation of hips, a lot more projection, the illusion of a very small waist. But I think that's going away. I think the safety concerns associated to fat transfer to the butt has really maybe sparked that trend to kind of go away from it. Some surgeons are very, very adamant not doing it at all. So it's really just kind of region-based, I think, here in the South in Texas, especially in Houston. I'm definitely noticing that the request for fat transfer has gone down quite a bit, actually. But thankfully now we have new options. I think one of the options I mentioned before is called the Corset Contour, which I'm very proud to bring to my practice. And that is going to also give you a more of an hourglass shape naturally versus compensating with augmentations of the hips and the butt and then with the breasts. And so it will be much more proportionate to the women's physique and give them more of that hourglass figure that they so much more desire. The techniques of BBLs are not going to go away. Just fat transfer, probably I would say the safest and the most consistent result as far as giving that more of that hourglass shape. And it's going to be combined continuously with the abdominoplasty, Molly makeover type procedures. And really the point is to kind of give more of an hourglass shape. That's really the name of the game. But I think, again, the trend of, just a BBL alone, those, really distinct, those really out of control proportions, that look is being requested less. So great question. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Drop me a comment section below. Love to hear more questions from you. Thanks for following.